Hello everyone, Carter, owner of Autorama Auto Sales, Dickinson, North Dakota. Check out our 2018 Toyota CH-R XLE edition. One owner lease return from Toyota, 16,000 miles. 2.0 liter automatic, front wheel drive, has the big touch screen, phone controls of course. It has Toyota Sense, which is all their safety features. Just really a good looking little compact sport utility. Great mileage out of these, 30 miles to the gallon on the highway. Has the factory warranty on it, clear Carfax, it's been inspected. Again, comes with the Toyota factory warranty on it yet. You can see it at Autorama Auto Sales, Dickinson, North Dakota, autoramauto.com. We're the dealership without the outrageous hidden fees.